Asante. Your Excellency, our party leader, Your Excellency Mama Boyce, Governor wa hapa Nyandarua, Senator wetu ambaye ndiye Secretary General wa chama yetu, waheshimiwa wenzangu na watu wote, harambee! Mimi naitwa Kamanda Mwafrika. Mimi ni mbunge wa Roysambu katika Nairobi County. Rambirambi zangu kwa familia ya Zachary na James, na nikiwa hapo, Your Excellency, no nyende kwariria andu atatu. Njaririe mundu gwitwo president, njoke njaririe andu aria maratumanite guku Nyandarua, andu moke mahurwo na moragwo, na njoke njaririe mutumwo aria matumirwo moke magerengerweo. Uguo ndenda kwariria andu atatu. President, andu acio matumite aria mokaga kuragana na oragani, andu atatu. Ndemoria atiriri, nigetha murute wira ucio ri, Zachary amuhiteirie naki, James amuhiteirie naki, nigetha murehere family ya ciana ici ruo ri, family ya ciana ici ya mwikite atia, nigetha mumarehere ruo ruhana uu. We Kasongo ndwathuragwo Nyandarua, ugacoka ukahe andu power matumane goons cioke ciorage ciana ici, aria maheirwo mbeca nigetha matumane. Na inyuĩ ndĩmũria atĩrĩrĩ, mũgĩtumana nigetha ngero ĩno ũkegerwo rĩ, mũtiathuragwo Nyandarua, ona gũtirĩ wanyu wathuragwo Nyandarua, no mũcoke mũtumane ngero ta ĩno ũkegerwo, mũrehere andũ ruo ruhana ũũ. Inyuĩ na inyuĩ mwatũmirwo mũkĩheo mbeca goons na mũkĩheo mĩcinga mũke mũnyarire andũ Nyandarua, na mũgĩtĩkĩra andũ aya mamũhĩtĩirie naki. Ndĩmere atĩrĩrĩ, mahoya mahoyo haha ndaigua mwanengerwo Ngai, mĩario nĩ yario haha ndaigua mwanengerwo Ngai, tondũ kĩrĩa gĩatũmire mũgerengerewe no nĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ merĩ tu, atĩ tondũ mwĩna mbia na mwĩna power na mwĩna mĩcinga, kĩu nĩkĩo gĩatũmire mũgerengerwe no. No ndĩrenda kũmera ũũ, inyuĩ nĩ kũrĩo mũrĩtwo nĩ ũrethi mwĩnaguo, urethi wa mbia na urethi wa power, na niwaambia ya kwamba hiyo urethi muko nayo ya pesa na power, siku zenyu zimehesabiwa. Na tondũ mwanengerwo Ngai, ndĩrenda kũmwĩra ũũ, Ngai oigĩte atĩrĩrĩ, mũtikanerĩhĩrie, niĩ nĩ niĩ ndĩhagia na ndiceragĩrwo. Nĩguo kana tiguo? Ngai nĩ arathiĩ kũmũrĩhia, na mũtirĩ handũ hega ũngĩkaigua wanengerwo Ngai ũmenye nĩ wathira na ndũrĩ handũ hega. Ũrethi ũcio menaguo wa mbia na power, 2027 mũgathiĩ kũrutĩra roko gĩcagi, tondũ no nginya mũinũke. Your Excellency, allow me to revisit the incident of Mheshimiwa Chege Njuguna wa Kandara. Mũthenya ũcio wa gũikia kura, Mheshimiwa Chege Njuguna wa Kandara atanyaririo nĩ ngari mũgwanja Prado, onetio mĩcinga, agĩkinyĩrwo. Ndereba wake nĩ mũthigari na bodyguard nake. Ndereba akĩamba akĩrutwo agĩtengemanio gatagatĩ ka bara ya rami, agĩtunywo mũcinga wake. Bodyguard wake akinyitwo akĩringwo ngundi ya magego, agĩtunywo mũcinga wake. Mheshimiwa Chege Njuguna arĩ na ngiri 400 mũhuko, agĩtunywo na agĩtunywo ngari, na ngari nginya ũmũthĩ ndĩraigua tũraga borithi. Ĩno nĩ bũrũri, ĩno nĩ thirikari tunaoka nĩ magerio? Githĩ ti magerio? Nĩ magerio? Ngai amũrathime, matukũ mao nĩ matare. Asanteni sana.
Asante. For the interest of time, waheshimiwa, the families are going to bury their loved one. Na mkiangalia kopo la saa wakati umeyoyoma. So please, let's take the shortest time possible. Tuko naye Mheshimiwa Embakasi, Mheshimiwa Major Donk.
Asante. The family of Zakaria James, our second deputy president, kanisa na wale wote tumekuja kuomboleza. Mungu ni mwema na kila wakati. Naitwa Benjamin Kadhiru Major Donk, mbunge wa Embakasi Central, na Embakasi Central ni kule Kayole. Leo tuko hapa kuomboleza na nyinyi, kuambia Mungu hajasahau na nyinyi. Mungu awape nguvu. Wale walitenda hii jambo wanajulikana. Makosa ya hawa watu wawili ni kwenda kupiga kura, lakini Mungu yupo. Wale wa kwangu Matopeni, nimesikia this is your cousin, one of them. Poleni sana. Mungu awarinde, awape nguvu. Niseme namna hii, these were not goons. These are police officers. They are police officers working under the ministry of goon, under the minister of goon. And Murkomen, you must make sure that these officers must be arrested. The MPs and the leaders who are leading these goons, these officer goons, must be arrested. We did not request you to transfer them. We told you to arrest the officers and they be charged at the court of law. Everyone who is seated here might be a victim tomorrow ya hawa goons au askari goons. Kwa hivyo sisi wote lazima tushikane, tukemee hii tendo na tuambie serikali hawa askari lazima washikwe na lazima wapelekwe kotini, kwa sababu hatuwezi ichi namna hii. Your Excellency, najua 2027 tunakuweka kwa hiyo kiti ya president. Even if the one who is sitting on that seat doesn't act, tunakuomba tukikupatia hiyo kiti uhakikishe justice ya hawa watu wawili imepatikana, kwa sababu hatuwezi endelea namna hii kama hichi. Watu wa Olkarau na watu wa Nyandarua na waonea huruma that you elected some leaders wenye hawana huruma na nyinyi hata kidogo. Wanaenda kutafuta watu wakuje wawaue wakiongozwa na Faith Getau. That is very wrong, very wrong. Shame on you. You cannot be elected ukuje uongoze watu wako wauawe. Wale watu walikuweka kwa kiti. Ya mwisho, tafadhali watu wa Olkarau, watu wa Nyandarua, tujiandikishe kwa chama 2027. Hawa mnasikia wanataka kukuja kugayania ruriri. Hawa unasikia wanataka kuleta chama zingine. Wanataka ndio hii unity yetu iishe, ndio waendelee kupata nafasi ya kupitia hapo kado kado wakipiganisha hawa watu wetu. Mimi nawaomba tushikane, tukae nyuma ya Rigathi Gachagua, tukae nyuma ya hiyo chama ya DCP, na mimi nawahakikishia matendo kama haya tena tukikubali kuungana, it will never happen. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki, Mungu awarinde, and may our sons rest in peace.
Asante Mheshimiwa. Tuko naye Kanini Kega. Mheshimiwa Kanini Kega.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa wetu. Your Excellency the Second Deputy President and my party leader, Your Excellency Pastor Dorcas na viongozi wote ambao tuko nao hapa, familia ya wenda zake, kanisa na watu wote. Ngai ni mwega na hidi ciothe. Waswahili husema akufae wakati wa dhiki ndiye rafiki. Mimi kwa niaba yangu, kwa niaba ya familia yangu, nimekuja ili tufariji pamoja na ninyi wakati huu mgumu. Lakini niseme kwamba tumehuzunishwa sana. Tuina kiha kinene muno. Kinene, especially for us who are here during the entire period. anake aya muri muthuri hanini marakuire ni undu wa guikia kura na to guikia kura riu in 2022 I'm very sure ni maikirie kura na magithura Ruto na asanti ya kumuthura ni kumoraga mamora. It is very very painful. Riria president yo ire kirikaniro o ire kirikaniro kurangira mioyo na indo cia Akenya. No kuma riria president yo ire kirikaniro aigathe uguo, he did the opposite. Ni kuraga araturaga, oragite ciana citu, oragite andu aitu, abangite guturaga. Kai ukwenda kuraga andu aigana nigetha ukiiganire. Riria twari na inyue haha, twarikia mucemanio haha, gikinya barabara haha, ndaigatithirio ni ngari ithatu cihoire borithi ciina micinga mehumbirite. Mena itanya rimwe ria kuraga kanini, no Ngai akirugama nani. Turenda kwira president atiriri, ona turage ithuothe no ikare ukimenyaga muthenya umwe wa mithenya cira waku na Ngai no ugatuo, no ugacemania no ria watumbire guku na ni ugatuo. We want to tell the president, you saw by the Bible that you are going to protect the lives and property of Kenyans, but since you put that Bible down, we have seen you preside over killing of innocent Kenyans. I am very sure that the two who are lying here voted for you in 2022. But the authority that you have given them is to kill them. We want to tell you, Mr. President, even if you are going to kill all of us, one day you have a destiny with your maker and you have many questions to answer. Gotire bura yuraga na deki atia na deki. No wakeri na wavata muno. Kasogo dari haha. No ni atomire jaguti. Ni atomire koda gotume. Kuda gotume. Ni atomire kamatimu. Ni atomire gati. Aria mona nagiriria. Ati ikatoyo kanini ena ngari ino. Ena ngari ino. Uyo ke ena ngari ino. Ginya mheshimiwa ena ngari ino. Ndamwira o mao matigane Ngai witu warugamire na ithuĩ. Ginya muthenya ucio wa githurano ngari citu ni cia makitwo ni ciekiritwo alama mutune. No Ngai witu akirugama naki na ithuĩ. Umuthi ndona Murkomen akiuga ati gutire na nguni Kenya. Kai mundu urabatara evidence iriku ya kuona andu eri moragitwo ni nguni icio mwatumite guku. Ngirikia tondi kwenda kuhiukiru. Ni kwenda kuuga inyue muraria ruthiomi ruru. Inyue mwatukunyanĩire. Inyue mwatukunyanĩire muri kwa athrume anyu kana atumia anyu. Mumenye ona higo ya mau no kware na kunda gutume ni kware na Jonadara no tuciagiririe tugie na wiyathi witu ni uroka tutongoretio ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Rigathi wa Gachagua tirenda gukwira turi haha. And I want to say this, turugamite guku turi Nyandarua kuri uraugire ni kuo gitwe kia mau turenda kurugama nawe niwe ugukorwo ri presidential candidate witu uria ugututwara kuria mbere nigetha twehererie Kasongo atige kuraga ciana citu. We ni woronekire we ni woronekire utongoretie mbutu we no yo ngituingatira Kasongo athie na athie biu na ithuĩ twitongoretio ni methuha thutha waku tukurugama nawe. Your Excellency, we will stand with you and we will move forward and you will not be intimidated by any person. Ngai wa mwe wa murathime na mwituhoere tondu na guku turoka mundu agicenjanagia ngari tondu mikoreno irio guku no ni turamenya Ngai wa kirikaniro ari iguru witu na ni agutunyitira. Thengio muno na Ngai amwike wega.
Thank you. Twina mami witu mheshimiwa wa kuria Naivasha, mheshimiwa Jane Kihara.
Thank you mheshimiwa. Family ya Zakaria na family ya James, House of Clergy led by the presiding bishop, His Excellency the People's Deputy President and Her Excellency Dr. Dorcas Rigathi, Excellency Mwangi alibadilisha gavana wetu hapa Nyandarua, senators wakiongozwa na our sharpshooter Senator Medho ambaye alituongoza vizuri sana. All protocols observed. Bwana asifiwe. Ngai ni mwega. Ona riu turirwo ni ciana. Ngai witu no mwega. I want to pass my condolences on behalf of my family and the people of Naivasha. Nduakara umuri andu avaka. Uno cianyuira ario. Tiga these two heroes. These children did not have to die. They died because of exercising their democratic right, which is so sad, like it has been said, ya kwamba hawa walipiga kura 2022 wakapigia Ruto. I want to speak to the Mount Kenya people, all of them. I want to tell them, you think Ruto loves you, but Ruto is done with you. The leaders, you have just fallen into Ruto's hands where he has always wanted you. He has always wanted us in this region to appear like we are violent. Koko kura ciana hurwo, our region ona mundu ndamenyaga kana ni agathurwo tondu gutiakoragwo kunu kana shere. But now he has imported violence because that is where he wants us to be. Those leaders, acio maromagerera Ruto, they think he loves them, but he's done with them. I want to talk to our children, those goons you are calling goons. Inywe mwaragia Gikuyu, inywe muraumete Murang'a, inywe muraumete Kirinyaga, inywe muraumete Kiambu, inywe muraumete Nyeri, mukerwo muke muragia andu guku. Tikwandwa mwendetwo. And for heaven's sake, Murkomen, we know you are the senior goon. That is why you cannot arrest one even when we have seen them. You have tried to implicate His Excellency that he's the one who owns goons. Because that is what you have been saying all the time. Why did you have to organize violence? Kwenda kwira Mugikuyu hari ari. Are goon, are muhunjia, are mutongoria, Ruto ndatwendete. Na bara choketie guku. When there was demonstrations, you saw tags in Kisumu. Ikerwa atiriri, ate Kisumu we are peaceful. Arenda kuruta violence Githumo amechokie mountain region. We must say no. We must say no. Ata wewe goon, if we are Kikuyu and you've been sent to kill your brother, you must be very crazy. Thakame acia na icinde kurira thi. Ruto, we can see you. We can see the violence you are bringing to our region. And you are using the very leaders of Mount Kenya. Following Kasongo, something must be very wrong with you. Because this man does not mean it all for us. They have tried to implicate His Excellency. We didn't have goons. Mundu agecinda githurano ndendaga goons. Ona ndungienda kihudio. But Mugikuyu ri handu ari. Mumenye twathurire nyamo na ni guturia. Toga kwimenyerera. Ndungituragera ciana ugacoka gutwira investigations. We are going to do investigations and they are there. You have been told who they are. and you don't want to do it. Poleni sana family. Ici ni heroes shito. They did what they were supposed to do. Gayori ore iguru ni akomugiria maithori. Na ithwe Agikuyu mwaga kweherera Ruto ni guthira muguthira. God bless you.
Thank you. We have around 10 minutes to tumemaliza. Before I hand over to huyu anaitwa Shege Mugo, anasimama kule Kinangop. Before I hand over to the Senate, I have 2 words. One to President Ruto. What do you gain, Kasongo, by gaining the whole world and losing your soul? Umepora inchi, umeiba kila kitu. Hatuna haja hizo, kaa nazo, lakini wacha kuua watoto wetu. Murkomen, I want you to listen to this voice. I have asked for permission from the family. You are claiming they are no goods. I want this voice, you listen to it so that you may have nightmares for the rest of your life. Murkomen, that is the voice of a man who was dying in the hands of policemen, men that you sent to come and hound our children. Murkomen, you will never find peace. You have bought almost everything in this country, but you will never have peace. Your wife will never have peace. Your children will never have peace. Kawajiko, you will never have peace. Women Repwa Muranga, you will never have peace. Faith Mimwaganu, you will never have peace. Kwenyaduku, you will never have peace. Moshera Michael, you will never have peace. You maimed an innocent man. You shed blood of an innocent man. You will never have peace. President Ruto, as you sit at the State House, God has rejected your presidency. You will not have any peace. Your time is up. Deputy President, Mr. Soprano, your time is up. You use this word, I use them to you. Mene, tekel, upasi. Your time is written on the wall. Your time is up. Watho atene twerago an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Ile uchungu tuko nayo tungefanya hivyo, lakini tunajua an eye for an eye leaves everyone blind. Toko motiga moko ine magai na turahoya Ngai adiri na inywe na ihenya tukionaga toto tiraigua wega tuikara na thayo na inywe guku matura-ini. You are an eyesore. You are cast. Na twere angi amarikana na ithwe mware mono ikana na itungati guku kwena sugoi thimu ikae sugoi. Chukueni mizigo yenu mwende. Waende asiende? It is painful. My own cousin at Royal Gardens was threatened by this goon. Akashiko alikuwa ataka kumbaka, wanamwambia vile watamfanyia. So these allegations of rape are live. Watu wamekuja wametuua, wanataka mpaka kurepa wasichana wetu na mabibi zetu na mama zetu. And I have a message for the chiefs and the assistant chiefs. Nyinyi machief na assistant chiefs, nyinyi kazi yenu ni kuimplement government policies at your place of jurisdiction. Munaishi na watu ambao wamempea kazi, hao munaishi nao ndio wamempea kazi. Mutigatuikie twara maitho inyuĩ macifu, niwe assistant chief mutigatuikie macifu twara maitho. True reconciliation start by acknowledging what you did wrong. Twathondeka mĩcemanio yo moka mũtwĩre mwekire mahĩtia, to mwoire mbia cia Kasongo, mwaikia mũhuko mũkĩanjia kuorota andũ arĩa marauga one term. Mũtũmage mĩkora ĩyo ĩthiĩ mĩciĩ ya andũ acio marauga one term. Nyinyi ma chief, first acknowledge that you are wrong. Second, be accountable. You either resign ama mkuje mtuombe msamaha tuone kama tutamsamea nyinyi. Lakini kwanza kutishia ati mtatumia wengine wakuje. And President Ruto, let me tell you this final word. If you can kill everyone, utuwe sisi zote, ubakishe tu mmoja, huyo mmoja atakwambia one term. Let me now call the senator Jaba ya Rorere, Kingpin ya Nyandarua. That's good.